Hello everyone, welcome to my home remedy channel. All know home remedies are natural, hence they are safe and help patients recover on their own. I'm a person who believes in home remedies over the counter drugs as they do not have any side effect. If you are struggling with a cough and looking for a natural solution, you have come to the right place. Cough can be caused by a variety of factors such as allergies, cold, flu, or even smoking. While there are many over the counter cough remedies available, they often come with unwanted side effects. That's why I'm excited to share these natural remedies which have been used for generations to alleviate cough symptoms. Not only safe, but it is also easy. Let's get started and learn how to make my favorite home remedies for cough. Consume a garlic clove with a small piece of jaggery before going to bed and do not drink water after eating this. Do this for 3 days until the cough has been evicted. This for people who do not eat garlic. Take 4 teaspoons of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of ghee. Roast it until the color turns golden brown. Take a teaspoon of this roasted turmeric powder and mix it with a teaspoon of honey and lick the mixture before going to bed. Repeat this for 3 to 4 days. These tips are really powerful. Give it a try and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section.